Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be taking a look at Apple stock. We're going to make a prediction for the next week, from the 19th to the 23rd of October. Now before we get into this video, make sure you hit that like button. I would really appreciate that. That would be awesome. And subscribe to the channel. I want to briefly talk about Patreon. I just created a Patreon. You can support me on there. The reason I did this is because I've been working about 9 hours a day-ish on creating videos, coming up with ideas, and uploading 15 videos a day. I really love doing this, and I want to keep doing this, so that's why I created a Patreon. It would really help me out if you guys would support me there. I would also be able to increase the quality of the videos dramatically. All right? And there's exclusive content for Patreons. Okay, so let's get into this video. Let's look at Apple, see what's going on. In last videos, we have discussed that the RSI is looking very low. The MACD is looking very low as well, and it's about to go in bullish mode. Ooh, this is going to be interesting, guys. This is going to be very interesting. I think we're about to have a very bullish run. Also, there's something very interesting, because look at the RSI. It is now at 30.3. When was the last time we were at this point? Right about here. The price of Apple stock was $112.4, but we had the same RSI. To me, that is a bullish indicator. It says basically we're about to become comfortable at this level for us to call this a bottom. So this could be a bottom. This could be the last chance to get into Apple stock Monday. If Monday we don't go up like 3-4% for the earnings that is coming the 29th of October. I want to briefly look at the historical earnings of Apple stock and see what happens whenever we get to that point. Here, Apple stock went down drastically. We moved sideways. Earnings came and then we went up. That's one example. All right. Let's check another example. We had earnings, we went up, but then we dumped around earnings after going up again. So that's an example where we pump and then dump. Happens very often around earnings. See what happens here. We pump and then we dump on earnings, but then we go up afterwards. If I can get two more examples, then I can kind of prove my point over here. I think this is going to be very similar to what we just said. We pump and then we dump. So, I think it's now pretty clear that there is a particular pattern for Apple whenever we have earnings, which is that we pump, and then we dump. We rally before earnings as well. So, where do I think we're going to be going for Monday? I drew this pattern over here, and it looks pretty solid to me. I think we're going to be hitting the $122 mark, probably on Monday, if the markets aren't bearish and tanking. We would correct afterwards, and right away go back up to the $123.3 on Tuesday, most likely. And then afterwards, I do predict we're going to see a little bit of sideways movement for the time being, because we pretty much go to the high RSI levels around 50 to 70, which in this case that would just be right around here. We pretty much will be correcting a little bit and then go sideways, and then after we've done that, RSI will go down, and then we'll have another opportunity. And the MACD will be very bullish also. We have another opportunity to go huge, ballistic, probably. If the markets let us, if the markets give us that opportunity. This would be around, I think this will be around the Thursday and the Friday where we start going up. And then the next week after that, the Monday and the Tuesday. And then which afterwards we will correct again and see a huge gap on earnings. possibly going to $130, $140. All right, so but we're looking at this right now. So do I see this going down? No, we just filled this gap. I mean, we could still fill it a little bit more before making this move, but we did fill this gap, so we should be fine on the downside. RSI is looking very low. MACD is looking bullish. So next target, $122, and then $123.3, and then we go to 120. Oh, I said that, and then we go sideways a little bit. So that's about 4% from here, I think, around that 4 to 5% for the week. Now we could also go ballistic. I mean, that probability is always there. So I want to be looking at the RSI. So how is it looking on the 1 hour? Pretty low, super low. The MACD is about to go bearish a little bit, so we could see that little gap fill because there's a little bit left till the $118 mark. That would be a great buy for earnings. And the 2 hours, still RSI super low, lots of room to the upside. MACD about to go bullish. 4 hours looking pretty bullish on the RSI. MACD is still trending down, so we might see, as I said, we might see that gap fill closed, and then after that we have a bullish rally, and it's going to be a serious rally because this RSI is going to pump to earnings, possibly going into the overbought territory. And what's next? I guess I'll look at the daily. The daily is looking bullish. RSI is looking quite neutral, which is, that's fine. We have still a lot of room left. Look at that. In comparison to what we had here, we could pretty much make a very similar move, spike upwards. Now I wanna just compare the RSI on the hourly. Compare it to other points in time. See what happens when we get to this RSI. Right? Because last time this happened, we had a rally to the upside of about 3 points. At this point, we had another rally. Took us to about 125, which was 13 points. This point, we had a brief rally, 3 points. Here, a little bit below, another rally, 20 points or something looking like 20 points. So basically we are about to go into very bullish territory. I think this is going to be the last chance to get in before earnings. After this moment, it's pretty much just going to be late. We could be rallying on Monday already, so it's pretty much the last chance. MACD looking bullish, RSI looking bullish, and we could see a little bit of a correction before going on the rally, but still it's looking like a buy at around $118. Anything below that is still going to be a buy before earnings. Obviously, we're going to go up until earnings, and usually we go down after earnings. All right, guys, this was the analysis for Apple stock, the weekly prediction for the 19th till the 23rd. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Also, the Patreon link is in the description below. If you want to support me, that would be absolutely amazing. It would help me out so much. I would be able to put that money into the quality of the videos, video editing software, a new microphone, possibly a new laptop so I can edit faster, better video quality because my recording programs are going to be better as well, and just general better equipment. And if I can put less time in my side job and put more time on these videos, I can also bring you better predictions, forecasts, analysis, etc. So it's a win-win. All right, there's a link for the Discord. I'll show you right now. The Discord is right here. It is pretty amazing. We have 26 people offline right now, but we have above the 30 member people in this Discord. It's pretty great. You can ask questions, you can communicate with each other. But yeah, the link is in the description. Make sure you hit that. We would love you to join us. There's also a link for the Trading 212 down in the description. If you hit that, you'll get a free stock up to $100. It's just free money, All right, guys. I hope you have a very nice weekend. This was Lucid Trading. I'll be seeing you next time.